Is your hard drive running out of space, but you don't want to pay the extra cost for cloud storage and you don't want to replace the hard drive in your computer? Well, I've got your solution. This is the BENFEI 2.5 hard drive enclosure, where you can take one of your old hard drives, put it in this device, and add storage to your computer. And I'm going to show you how. So thank you so much, BENFEI, for sending this out to me to test and review. We'll get the hard drive in it, and I'll show you how it works. So this is the BENFEI hard drive enclosure. And this right here has a really awesome feature that I'm going to show you here in just a moment. But first, we're going to go ahead and put the hard drive inside the case. And that's really easy to do because this right here just slides off, and then you're going to slip a hard drive in it and you're going to close the case back. I just happen to have an old SSD drive that I'm not using anymore that I can add some additional storage to my computer. The enclosure is compatible with most SSD drives. You just have to make sure that it's got the right connectors on it. So we're going to pop this open. You're going to just push down right here and then slide it like that. Take the cover off. This is the inside. Now, if you see in the middle there, it's got that little foam pad. And what's really nice is they give you some extras in case you need to replace it. Maybe you swap a hard drive and this comes out with the hard drive. So it's nice that they give you this. So as you see the connector right there, I'm going to put this drive right in that connector. And you just want to make sure that the connector and the drive are facing the same way. And you're going to just push it up in there and seat it. And it's a nice tight fit, so you don't have to worry about the hard drive coming loose, which is really nice. And then we're going to take the cover and we're going to slide the cover back on, flip it in place, and there you go. Now you have a fully functional USB hard drive enclosure. Now, this is the one cool feature that I wanted to show you is USB-A, and it's also USB-C. So this gives you lots of opportunities to connect to multiple different types of computers. You could even connect your cell phone to this right here, which is really awesome because you could store footage as you like record things on your phone. Maybe you're out and about and you don't again want to push all your videos and pictures up into the cloud and end up paying for extra storage. You can put them on an external hard drive. So I want to show you, I've got the hard drive connected to my phone. So I know that's a little hard to read. It's not focusing properly because of the light, but it has the USB storage added and it's connected to the phone. So again, you can use this external hard drive for many things, computers, phones, and this way you can store videos and pictures and all on the external hard drive and not have to worry about running out of space. And this feature right here is just awesome. Being able to pull this apart and put this back together, and this actually doesn't come off. It's actually pretty firmly on there, so you don't have to worry about losing it. And now instead of USB-C, you have USB-A, which is going to be compatible with almost any computer that you're going to have. So this is pretty awesome. Just make sure the hard drive you have is compatible. Most SSD will work, and you can just slide the drive in there and then you're good to go. Plug it in and you have extra storage. So links in the description. Thank you, BENFEI, for sending it out, and we'll see you next time.